Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring you have VIP access and full ownership. This grants you the permissions required. Once done, export and back up the current place to avoid data loss, and record existing VIP fields like price and duration so you can restore them if needed. Make sure Roblox Studio is updated and that you're logged into the same account that owns the VIP. This prevents permission errors and keeps a recovery path if configuration changes go wrong. Now you dig into game settings and navigate to revenue, focusing on VIP server options. This is where most misconfigurations hide. Check server-side scripts for errors and confirm any referenced asset ID or API calls still exist, because broken references stop VIP creation. Re-enter the intended price and duration and rebuild the allowed players list if it was overwritten. Once corrected, publish a test version and create a VIP. Finish by publishing the updated place and carrying out a full test purchase and join sequence. You must verify both purchase success and VIP server instantiation. While testing, monitor Studio output and the dev console for error messages that point to missing assets, permission denials, or script exceptions. These logs explain why things fail. If problems persist, restore the exported backup and compare file differences to isolate the faulty change, then reapply fixes incrementally until the VIP server runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.